So now that we're at this point though, I also want to show you, I'm going to make a little relief cut there, and that brings that down to there. Sean, will you hand me a piece of tape?
Yes, sir. How long?
Just a little 6-inch piece, please.
Yep.
Short piece. That takes care of that. I'm going to roll it over to the other side. And the purpose of this is to maintain the R value of the insulation. Go ahead and put that on there. Perfect. We're good. We're good. We don't need any more tape.
Good.
So here you have it. This is now ready for, well, here's the other thing too. So again, we have taped all of this. Now, this part here that we had unrolled, or had rolled down in, we're going to unroll it. Bring it down so that it meets up with this insulation. Sean, you want to hand me some tape?
Yes,
please?
sir. Yeah. There you go.
Go right there. All right.
One more.
One more piece. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
So once you got all of that on, and this is very, very important, because over time, if you just push this down, one with your hand, you're also running the risk of cutting your finger. A foil cut is just like a paper cut, only 100 times worse. It goes really deep and it stings a lot. Talking from experience. Sean, have you ever done that?
Never. I've never cut my hand. Never once. No.
So one, this is safety. You're not going to cut your fingers. And two, it really presses that foil tape and glue down into the insulation, assuring a good proper adhesion.